chiefest of all unto thy bride, fullness divine in thee I'll see, wonderful man of Calvary, that man of Calvary has won my heart from me, and died to set me free. Blessed man of Calvary, granting the sinner life and peace, granting the captive sweet release, shedding his blood to make us free. Mercy